My name is Vaishav Shah. I graduated from DAICT as an engineer in ICT from Gandhinagar. I got calls, I converted IIM Calcutta in FMS, and I'll be joining IIM Calcutta now. Even before joining Endeavor, my dream or my goal was to get in the top three, that is IIM A, B, or C. And I'm lucky I was able to achieve that. So, yeah. A lot of it actually, a lot of that happened, as in that is taught at Endeavor, helped me achieve my goal. The way things are taught, the practice of writing editorial review, the reading habit, and especially the help they offered post CAT during our VET PI as well. So yeah, a lot of what is done at Endeavor helped me a lot. I'll just mention one thing about the test series. So my average score of last three mocks at Endeavor was 200, and my raw score in actual CAT was 205. So I think it is really close, you can say. And also the in which the, as in the phased manner in which the test series was scheduled was brilliant. It boosted my confidence for CAT and prepared me for the the different types of anything that CAT would throw at me. So yeah, as in, it was really good. As in, anyone who is preparing for CAT should give mock CATs. That is the best. As in, you have to do it. When I think back, I see a really big change in my PI skill. So I don't even remember how many PIs I would have given at Endeavor. I think there were a lot of it. Even before my first interview, I had given 6 or 7 mock PIs, and I don't think I could have converted any college without those mock PIs. And it's not just PI, even for my SOPs, I had so much help from the faculties and mentor. And yeah, so it did help. In fact, my first PI as in Vivek sir, I think it really changed me. So I was in the air because I scored really well in my CAT, and then I'm not sure if I would not have gone through that PI, I would not have studied as hard for my PIs, and I would not have been able to crack any of it. But I'll tell about my IIM Calcutta PI because I converted that. So what happened was that I was out of the blue asked, okay, name 5 cities in Pakistan, and I know it. But what happened during that time was I was so flustered, and I just lost it, and I was not able to name even 2. I just gave Islamabad, and that's it. My confidence got broken at that level. And then said, okay, just tell 3 cities from Bangladesh, and I don't think I even know 3 cities in Bangladesh except for Dhaka. But yeah, it was a pressure interview, and they were trying to test how calm I can be. But after those happened, as in they asked me a quant question, everything went as in fell in place. And then they started asking about why MBA and what have you done during your during your work experience and all. And it went smoothly after that. So yeah, so as in even my first interview with Vivek sir was like that. As in he kept asking me questions, I did not have answers to them, and he told me that just calm your nerve. It may happen that a lot of questions that were asked you might not be able to answer them, but it is not necessary to answer each and every one of them. Just remain calm and make sure that you try to do your best. So yeah, the first would be, don't lose sight of your goal or dream, as in always believe in yourselves. I know it sounds casual, but you need to have this belief. I believe everyone who converted their dream colleges have one thing in common, that is they never lost sight of their goal and never give up. I believe that has to be there to achieve your dream college. The second is give enough or adequate mocks and analyze them thoroughly. It is really important to analyze what you did, even in any field. As in, at any point of time in life, I think that you need to analyze what you did to make it better, as in to make yourself better at it. And the third is be patient, work on your skills and weaker sections, and be patient. The result might not follow, as in they might not follow your effort and the speed at which you thought they would, but they will definitely follow and you will achieve your goal if you don't give up. If I have to make it on the top of my list, it definitely would be my batch mentor, and he really did help me a lot, not just for my preparation but overall as well. And I believe that is true for every faculty at Endeavour. They are always so willing and eager to help, not just for your studies but in general in life. And so I think that is the biggest plus for Endeavour, and I really am going to miss my batch mentor. Yeah. The one thing I would say is that before Endeavour, I was not very as in sincere, or maybe I did not believe in myself that I will be able to achieve what I deserve, and that and that changed while I came at Endeavour. I had immense belief in myself, and I really worked hard. So a lesson that I would take away from my time at Endeavour would be, believe in yourselves and work hard, and you'll get what you deserve, definitely.